Hey foodies, are you ready for a sweet treat that's surprisingly simple to make? Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of homemade blueberry dumplings. They're warm, juicy, and absolutely bursting with flavor. You'll need all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and some baking powder for our soft dough. For the star of the show, grab fresh or frozen blueberries. A little sugar and a touch of lemon zest will make the filling sing. First, whisk together your dry ingredients. Then, gradually add water, mixing until a soft, pliable dough forms. Knead it gently for a few minutes until smooth. This dough is super forgiving, perfect for beginners. Roll out your dough thinly and cut it into circles. Place a spoonful of blueberries, a sprinkle of sugar, and a tiny bit of lemon zest in the center of each circle. Fold the dough over and crimp the edges to seal, creating those beautiful dumpling shapes. Now for the magic, gently drop your dumplings into simmering water or steam them until they float and are cooked through. This usually takes just a few minutes. They'll be plump and ready to enjoy. Serve these delightful dumplings warm with a dollop of whipped cream, a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or a drizzle of maple syrup. They're a perfect dessert or a fun breakfast treat. Give them a try and let me know what you think.